Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista101. As you can see in front of me, I have a Joann box. I ordered a few things from the Happy Planner release that I didn't order, but they had quite a few of the new items on sale, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what I got. So I got quite a few things, and first and foremost, thank you so much if you are already subscribed to my channel. If you are visiting, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. So first and foremost, I ordered 2 of the hourly goal planning extension packs. These are amazing. If you never used them before, they're amazing. So I also ordered this pencil pouch so I can switch them out. I both love florals and leopards, so these were made for me. So I ordered the second one of these. I got the Faith sticker book, the household, which I actually got from the Happy Planner already, but I wanted the second one. That's how great that one is. We have a budget, gardening florals, fitness, don't give up, and don't stop growing. So I'm gonna go through all of these one by one and give you a full flip through, and we'll go from there. These are really amazing. I'm not doing the household because I've already done that one in my previous video, so you can watch the haul from Happy Planner and that's in there. But this one, so it comes with a divider like that. It is, you get a monthly, you get some goal setting and priority lists. So this is great if you wanted to set some goals. And then you have a huge 2-page to-do list, which is amazing. And then you have a monthly, a weekly schedule. So you have some boxes empty on the top, and it's 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. schedule. And then things to follow up on. That's like weekly. And then, so this repeats every week. So you have a weekly, hourly layout, and then you have some goal pages. It is truly incredible. So you have some focus. So that's what this extension pack looks like. I think they did an amazing job. Once in a while, I will use a month like that for my work planner if it gets really hectic. But I really love having these extension packs available. And they have some dates. So there's 4 months, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, there should be 4 months of dates. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing down below with the tiny ones. They are daily, and or this is for the month, and that's really awesome. So, and then you get some stickers with months on them, as well as contact and some icons and meetings. So these extensions are really awesome. If you've never seen them before, they're really good. And if you have a busy week, you can just pull out a week, especially with the weeks being kind of separated by the follow-up pages. So kind of like a to-do list page, which again is amazing that they did that. So I could pull out just a week, have a to-do list, and the hourly layout. Okay, so this is fitness. It is the Don't Give Up sticker page. It starts with some realistic stickers. So it is a picture one. It's beautiful. And then we have some Take Time for You, Work, Sweat Now, Shine Later, See What Happens If You Don't Give Up. It's like really motivational. Then we have Work It Out, Progress, Not Perfection. We have Workout and more workout. And then some breakfast, lunch, dinners, some meal plans, some exercise plans. These will be great for the sidebar because it comes like that. So you have exercise and meals, so you can focus on both. We have another page of those. And another page of those. And then we have icons with little shoes for walking. And then we have running, weight, hit the gym, strength, eat well, yoga, steps, and it actually has a line for you to write down your steps, hydrate. Okay, and then we have some boxes, which there's never enough boxes in the world, so I like these. These little smaller boxes on these pages are actually great for steps. So we have some habit trackers and bigger habit trackers and gold foiled habit trackers. And then we have one page of inspirational clear quotes, and then a second page, which this one is like a rainbow foil, almost like I'm not sure how to explain it, but it glistens in rainbow, so maybe like a holographic. Okay, this is Don't Stop Growing. It kind of reminds me of one of those gardening books from back in the day when they did a gardening box. So let's take a look at these because I haven't seen those yet. So there's some habit making, stay consistent with, checking daily. Interesting. Okay, we have some plants. We have some long checklists, which are beautiful. And then we have order seeds and so on. Planting day. Noteworthy, today's list. So these are really, really lovely as well. And then we have today's list in the garden. Meet me in the garden. How cute. And look at these flowers. These are beautiful. And then we have succulents. Some big checklists. Okay, and I don't know why they put chickens in here. I'm never going to be using chickens, but oh well. If somebody has an idea of how to use the chickens, let me know. I might take you up on it. And then we have some tomatoes and sunflowers and beautiful lilacs. Or playing the dirt. Oh, how fun. Daily gratitude. These are lovely. And then we have watering cans in gold foil, some shovel, some like gardening tools and icons, and then we have weather. So we have sunny, cloudy, rainy, and then these are in color. So we have blue, red, dark blue, and black. And then we have the weathering color, and then you have a harvest log. And more harvest log, and of course, more chickens, right? So this is very much a repeat of the gardening book that we had. They are quite lovely. And look at these plants. I really, really like these plants. So we have some baskets with fruit and flowers. And we have a cabbage and some more fruit. And here are the veggies. This is lovely. And we have a chicken, of course. Because why not, right? Why not throw a chicken in here? Okay. More chickens, which bug me. But these flowers with birds are quite beautiful. And then look at this watering can and these floral arrangements. They are gorgeous. Okay, so garden flowers. I bought 2 of those books. One is for me, one is for someone else, but take a look how pretty these are. So we have basket with like veggies and florals. And then look at all of these birds with flowers. They are beautiful. And it looks like you get 2 of each one. And then these we have seen before in the gardening book, for sure. And then we have trim with the scissors or the clippers, whatever you call those. Can you tell I'm not a gardening person? I have like a couple orchids, that's probably it. Okay, and look at these beautiful big flowers, and we have daffodils. These are beautiful. And then, of course, a full page of chickens, which, oh my gosh, 2 pages of chickens, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Okay, well, and then we have basil, oregano, rosemary, mint, thyme. Is that parsley on the bottom? No, cilantro. Then we have sage and dill. So some of the signs are on the next page, so that's how that goes. And then these are some beautiful figs. And then these flowers, my dad absolutely loves these flowers. He plants them every year. And we have some citrus. So that's perfect for a lemon spread. Look how big those lemons are. So you get 2 pages of those, which is amazing. And then we have lettuce and onions and lots of tomatoes, string beans and squash. And then we have eggplants, bell peppers and sugar snappies, radishes. That's garlic, bok choy, arugula, carrots, and watering can with flowers, and it's absolutely lovely. And then you get mini ones. How cute are they? And then these flowers are absolutely stunning. I love the sunflowers and the poppies. And we have white ones, and this is different. We have not seen succulents in these before. So you get 2 pages of those. One is paper, one is clear, and they are quite lovely. If you are a succulent collector, these are awesome. Okay, so that's garden flowers. I'm not exactly sure why they called it garden flowers, where it was actually a lot of veggies and herbs and other things, and obviously chickens, right? So they called it that. I'm a little bit disappointed, but oh well. Okay, so budget. This is the brand new budget. It's supposed to be a little bit updated. So we've seen those in the budget before. Totally adulted, money edition. It's pretty funny. And then we have some monthly bills and icons, which are great. So we have internet, shopping, gas, electric. I think that's gas, electric, savings or payday, credit card, car, insurance, gas, and housing. So mortgage or rent. And then we have TV, cell phone, payday, little hearts. I'm not sure what I would use that for. And then we have today paid, more pages of that, shopping trip, eating out. So little tabs, emergency fund, medical, repairs, family outing, brunch, movies. So these are kind of like things that to do out. And then we have some savings, bill due. These are really cute. And then we have the same thing for savings, so these match. And then paid, 2 pages of those. And then you have a budget review. So if, and then week's savings challenge. Interesting. So it's 6 weeks. Okay, weekly spending. So you can sum up your spending in a week. More of weekly spending. And then we have some bill due and bill paid. And then no spend challenge. which is awesome. Auto pay, so if you have some bills that are being paid automatically, this is where it's going to be coming out of. You can mark that. And pay bill. Account balance, which is kind of nice to review your accounts. Account balances, so you can write that down and see how it increases. And these are bullet points, so some of these are circles, some of these are squares. They are great. So household, I'm just going to move that. And last but not least, we get to see faith. I don't do Bible study or faith planning, but once in a while I feel spiritual, and in my wellness I use stickers like this. So we will see what happens this year, how I'm going to be feeling, but sometimes this helps just staying hopeful. So you have some Bibles, you have some church, or a little chapel, you have a prayer, a good word, hallelujah, seeing God's hand in. Some of these stickers are truly beautiful. Walk by faith, shine your light, love, peace, joy, grace for today. These are really lovely. Okay. Bible study and some verses, rejoicing in, and then we have some boxes. And these colors are so different than any other sticker book we get. These are these beautiful small, like very faint lilacs and purples, and they're really pretty. So some more Bibles and some more quotes and boxes and some more music. And yeah, these are beautiful. So if you do Bible study or Bible planning, these will be beautiful in there. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know down below what you think, which book is your favorite, and again, if you have any idea what to do with those chickens, you have to let me know. I am so disappointed in the chickens. I really don't know what to do with them. Anyway, that's it. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys very soon for another video. Bye!